Monsoon sale. Home appliances. Samsung 6.2 kilograms fully automatic top-load washing machine. 13% offer. Soft on clothes. The diamond drum features a unique soft curl design with smooth, diamond-shaped ridges that's supremely gentle on your clothes. Its small water exit holes also help protect fabric by minimizing the cases where clothes are trapped and damaged. Clearly more durable. A tempered glass door makes it easy to see inside but will last much longer. It's designed to withstand a great deal of pressure and is resistant to damage and scratch, so it stays looking good for a long time. Based on a comparison of tempered versus normal glass. Powerful filtering action. The magic filter effectively traps the lint, fluff and particles that come out of your clothes, so your laundry stays cleaner while protecting your drainage from getting clogged up. And it's also easy to clean by simply detaching and washing. Enhanced cleaning. Waterfall provides powerful water spray falls down from the ducts at the top and mixes with the rotating current below. This unique feature ensures detergent is distributed evenly to clean your clothes thoroughly, and also helps more effective rinsing. M.R.P. 15,900 rupees. Deal price 13,899 rupees. You save 2,001 rupees. 2-year warranty. E.M.I starts at 654 rupees.